love when my hair is done. I love when my nails are done. Being a girl is fun. Change our minds. We so in love, but babe, it's not enough to survive. Cause it's your way, love, 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 that makes us do all the stupid shit that we do.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today's vlog is all about pouring back into myself. And honestly, I've been tired and sick. So between working and showing up for my family, taking care of myself, because I've had like a little summer cold, it's been a whole lot. Life can get heavy, but I'm reminding myself and you that we deserve to slow down, refill our cups, and show ourselves some love. So today, I'm doing a full self-care reset, starting with my everything shower. So let's get into it. Now, there's something about an everything shower. It just feels like I'm washing away all my stress and coming back to myself. It's one of the girliest little rituals that always make me feel refreshed. Y'all know I love my Pixie, so styling it just right always feels like a fresh start. It's those little girly moments playing in my hair, feeling cute again, that shift my mood instantly, okay? I love how even the smallest details of my routine make me feel soft and feminine. It's the little things that remind me to just slow down and embrace the moment and take things for what they are. So this morning I'm taking a few extra minutes just to care for myself. And it feels like a love letter to me, like a love song. I write my own love story. It's giving girly, it's giving soft life, and I'm here for it. Now, a little perfume is always the finishing touch, my girly signature before I step into the world. Even if it's just for me or just a regular normal day, I love romanticizing the smallest things of my day. Every day should feel a little special. Now, let me tell y'all, this scarf was testing me today, but that's life, right? Even in girly moments, things don't always go perfect. And that's okay. I just laugh, try again, and keep it moving. So y'all, it's cleaning day. I've been in my bathroom cleaning all day long. Well, not all day, I'm exaggerating. But I got this electric spin scrubber in the mail. And this came from Puffton. Cleaning can be such a task, but I need something that's gonna cut that time down. I'm limited on my time. I'm always busy. I'm always doing something. And this scrubber is said to cut my cleaning time by 70%. So I don't have to scrub for hours. showers, and it makes it quick and easy. So I'm gonna show you what it looks like. Wait a minute, let me get it open. It comes with the instruction manual, of course. You have a dome brush, a large flat brush, a small flat brush, a corner brush. Now, the corner brush is definitely needed because y'all know them corners and those crevices, sometimes they're hard to clean. You gotta put a little extra elbow grease into it, but that's gonna come in clutch. You have a sponge brush, a wool brush, a scouring pad, and a cloth brush. So it has versatile uses. It's only like 3 pieces, so the installation is supposed to be super easy. It comes with a storage pouch, charging cable, brush head holder, fixed holder. Alright, let's put this together. Twist and lock the handle onto the extension handle. Boom. And then you twist and lock the extension handle onto the main body, which is this. Boom. That's definitely sturdy. Oh, extend it out. Okay, love that. It's so sturdy. Sometimes you get those that are flimsy and they like kind of bend and move around when you're cleaning, but this doesn't bend at all. So I'm gonna use the dome brush, which is perfect for cleaning the shower. I've already sprayed the shower down. All I gotta do is turn the shower on and actually get to cleaning. Then you turn it on by bam. So you got 2 speeds. So you can switch between 380 RPM for everyday messes, and then the higher speed is 450 RPM. And that's for more stubborn cleaning that you have to do. So the 2-in-1 handle, like I showed you, you can do short tasks, or if you gotta do something that requires a little more elbow grease, you gotta get up in there, you can extend it out. It's waterproof. And we're gonna show you that because I'm gonna get in the shower and we're gonna do some scrubbing and we're gonna do some cleaning. It comes with 8 different brushes, so you can clean so many different surfaces with this. It really takes the legwork out of your cleaning. Makes it super simple and makes it super fast. Lightweight and it's very user friendly. If you know me, you know I'm a girly girl, so if it takes too much to put it together, I cannot do it. But this was super simple and I was able to do it. So if I can do it, you can do it too. PUFFTM stands for Puff Tech in Motion. A soft start, intelligent clean, and effortless power that lasts. They got me with the soft start because, you know, I'm in my soft girl era, so this just comes right on time. Cleanliness is next to godliness, and in order for your mind to be clear, your environment has to be clear and your environment has to be clean, put together, and organized. So every PUFFTM product is made with that in mind. Thoughtfully designed to make your daily routine smoother, faster, and more effective by keeping your home fresh and your life full of ease and joy. So what I'll make sure to do is include a direct link down in the description box, as well as a little coupon code so you can save some money on your order. So make sure y'all click the link, go directly to the website, and get you this electric spin scrubber so you can make cleaning super easy, super fast. Soft start, smart core, strong finish. That's the pumping power. Skincare is like therapy for me. It's quiet, it's intentional, and it always makes me feel like the best version of myself. Just taking time to pamper my skin makes me feel feminine and soft. And y'all know I love my skin. Like, I pride myself on my face card. It never declines. But the thing is you have to put into your face what you want to get out of it. And that's the same with your body. Put into your body what you want to get out of it. So y'all, today reminded me that even when life is busy, even when I'm showing up for everyone else, I still need to show up for me. Self-care doesn't always have to be complicated. Sometimes it's just these small girly rituals that you do on a daily basis that just show you that you're worth love. And the love that you want is the love that you should show yourself first. So I hope this inspires you to take a moment for yourself too. Make sure y'all like this video. Make sure, of course, that you are subscribed to my channel and have those notifications turned on so that when I post a video, you will know and you won't miss it. So thank you guys so much for watching. I love y'all. And I will see y'all in the next video. Love you guys. Bye.
Change our mind. We so in love, but babe, it's not enough to survive. 'Cause it sure ain't love, love, love that makes us do all the stupid shit that we